Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Creative and Smart Dhiru. Today I am going to give you a book review of You Can Win book written by Shiv Khera. So let's begin with the review of the book. So this is the front cover of the book You Can Win. In this book he told about winners. Winners don't do different things. They do things differently. The benefits of a positive attitude. There are many advantages to have a positive attitude. The main advantage is to see easy. But what is easy to see, it is also easy to miss. Positive attitude benefits for you, makes for a pleasing personality, increases your enjoyment of life, inspire other around you, attitude towards organization, increase the productivity, foster teamwork, solve problem, improves quality, breaks loyalty, increases profits, reduce deeds. How to build positive attitude? Steps to attitude change. If you want to build and maintain a positive attitude, you need to continuously practice the following steps. Step 1. Change the focus and look towards positive. Step 2. Make a habit to doing it now. Step 3. Develop an attitude for an attitude. Step 4. Get into a continuous education. Step 5. Build a positive self-esteem. Step 6. Stay away from negative influence. Step 7. Learn to like the things that need to be done. Step 8. Start your day with something positive. Winners versus losers. Winner is always part of the answer. Loser is always part of the problem. For example, winners say, it may be difficult, but it is possible. The losers will say, it may be possible, but it is too difficult. Winners follows philosophy of empathy. Losers follows philosophy. Winners have dreams. Losers have schemes. Winners make it happen. Losers let it happen. Winners plan and prepare to win. The main key towards the preparation. You may be disappointed if you fail, but you will be dominated if you don't try. Success winning strategies. Qualities that make a person successful. Desire, commitment, responsibility, hard work, character, positive believing, give more than you get, the power of precedence, pride of performance, be willing to be a student, get mentor, the crash course for success. Play to win, not lose. Learn other people's mistakes. Associate with people and of high moral characters. Give more than you get. Don't look for something for nothing. Always think long terms. Never compromise your integration. Motivate yourself and others every day. Motivation is classified into two types. External and internal. External motivation comes from outside environment. For example, money, social approvals, fame or fever. Internal motivations comes from within, such a pride, a sense of achievement, responsibility and belief. 4 stages from motivation to demotivation. Motivate, ineffective, motivate, effective, demotivate, effective, demotivate, ineffective. several steps to build a positive personality. Accept personality, show consideration, think to win and win, choose your words carefully, don't criticize and complain, smile and be kind, don't gossip, turn your promise into commitment, be grateful but to be accept gratitude, be dependable and practice loyalty, avoid bearing grudges, practice honesty, integrity, practice humility, be understanding and caring, practice courteous and daily basis, develop a sense of humor, don't be criticize and put others down. To have a friend, be a friend. Goal setting. Goals are dreams with a deadline and action plan. Goals must be smart. S stands for specific, M stands for must be measurable, A stands for achievable, R stands for realistic, T stands for time bound. This book will help individual to build confidence by mastering the 7 steps to positive thinking. Be successful by turning weakness into strength. Gain creditable by doing the right things for the right reason. Take charge by controlling things instead of letting them control. Build trust to be developing mutual respect with people around you. Accomplish more by removing the barriers to effectiveness. Thank you for watching my video.